Locate the red marks on each panel. Step 1. Unboxing and parts check. Start by removing the installation guide from the package. Prepare the components. Sort all panels by size, small, medium, and large sizes. Match each ball with the corresponding pole size. Small ball with short pole, medium ball with medium pole, and large ball with long pole. Please carefully check the red marks on each panel. Make sure all red marks face the same direction, as shown. Great job, you have completed 30%. Step 2. Small ball assembly. Insert each tab into the corresponding lower hole until it clicks into place. Secure these points with the included push rivets. The opposite side can also be secured using push rivets or zip ties. Secure these points using the included zip ties. Trim off the excess zip tie ends after securing. Align the red mark with the groove on the wooden pole. Insert the grooved end of the wooden pole into the slot. Attach the third section of the small ball and insert each tab into the corresponding lower hole until it locks into place. Secure the third section of the small ball using the included zip ties or push rivets. Small ball assembly complete. You're 60% done with the assembly. Step 3. Medium and large ball assembly. The assembly steps for the medium and large balls are the same as the small ball assembly steps. Align the red mark with the groove on the wooden pole. Insert the grooved end of the wooden pole into the slot. You're 90% done with the assembly. Step 4. Assemble the tree and base. After completing the previous steps, you will have the small ball, medium ball, and large balls ready for assembly. Attach the provided cap to the top of the small ball. With your thumb, enlarge the size of the hole in the plastic washer. Remove and discard the black plastic protector before assembly. It is only used to protect the package during shipping. Fit the plastic washer into the stem, unscrew the nut, place the weight over and resecure the nut in place firmly. Note the position of the pins in the bottom of the planter and align them with the base of the weight. Carefully cut open the bag and pour the pebbles into the planter. Pack the pebbles down firmly. Screw the smallest ball atop the medium-sized ball. Screw both the small and medium-sized balls atop the largest ball. Congratulations! Your ball tree assembly is complete.
Thank you for choosing our eco-friendly packaging. By reducing packaging size and waste, your choice helps protect our planet. We truly appreciate your time and patience in bringing this beautiful tree to life.
If you choose in-ground installation, insert the U-shaped ground stakes through the holes in the weight block. Remove and discard the plastic washer before pressing the prongs firmly into the ground.